that. There's the police. We're done.
We're down here at the Hyatt Regency in Louisville. I'm pretty sure we're about to do some hopefully two-way whooping up the center of a like 20-story hotel. And it's open in the center, so it's like open for you all the way to the top. Should be a lot of fun. So I was thinking about this hotel. We were across the street eating dinner. There was a viral video I saw of a choir doing some patriotic song through the center and just the reverb. It sounded really awesome. So it made me think of it's a good place to fly a tiny whoop. There's gotta be incognito going in here. Just hang the goggles off around your neck.
And then met myself at the top.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly out of this elevator, and I'm gonna take the elevator up, and I'm gonna fly along the outside of it, and hopefully meet myself at the top.
Should be a lot of fun.
Let's do it. Let's do it. There's this ART. R4.
I got you. That's R2. Is your DVR running?
Yeah, let's see.
Get your phones out. Good.
You ready? No. Open it up. Alright, you ready?
Yep. I accidentally hit 16. Oh god, we're moving. Oh shit. This is not the top floor.
Are we gonna keep going?
Yeah.
16th floor.
Close.
Going up.
Come say hi.
Okay. Wait, I don't know what floor we're on.
16. Never mind, here we go.
Oh shit.
Now we're at the top.
18th floor.
Come on in. You have battery to go back down?
Yeah, probably. Should just straight dive
18th
it.
floor.
If you want. DVR still going?
Yep.
I'm gonna go back to 2. Okay. I'm gonna try to shoot down. Dive it on this side, like where you were flying it again.
Holy fuck! Oh, God, the book can't do it. Catastrophic failures.
Did you give it to one of them?
I landed up pissing. That was awesome.
Second floor, ballroom, meeting room.
I was doing the dive with him. I didn't think you were flying back down. Good job.
We didn't. That's what we decided that at the top. We got it back. It was 2 ways.